This budget seems to be a well thought about process, and it definitely addresses even the common man in various domains, especially fisheries, what do you call, agriculture, students, women, entrepreneurs, startups. So the thought process is that the budget, if allowed, can multiply its propensity for ages to come now. It's a long-term process, and if you see the yojanas which have been brought in this time, is amazing. There is a big insight, and it's going to help the uh, youth, especially, and also the agriculturists. And the concept of Unity Mall, which is going to come up, is going to showcase in the tourism sector. And infrastructure-wise, if you see, there are a lot of transport and airports in the coming. So I think these are all going to be creating a lot of employment. It's going to be an indirect growth, though the common man may not be addressed directly. The growth is going to be indirect and ages to come. And I think this budget is a good budget.
So when compared to
Hmm.
last year, what difference do you find, sir?
Major differences on the slabs. One thing is on the slabs. Second thing, there is a reduction in credit guarantee by 1%, and the high top bracket. Those people are going to benefit in this budget. Otherwise, there are a lot of other schemes which have come in, new schemes which have come in. I think that's going to be a talk about and breaking event.
So what about people who are salaried people, sir? Like, how difference can they find also?
Not much, not much, but yeah, it could have been better. But yeah, you can't address all the ingredients because they are the bigger chunk of people who are going to add revenue to the government. So that's going to be like that only.